Guys, my topic is all about smoothing by binning. So using smoothing by bin means median and boundaries. So we will smooth the data above using the bin depth of 3. So how will we calculate it and get the bin means, median, and boundaries? So we have steps to be done. So first step is to sort the data. So I already sorted all the data that we had. Then second is to partition the data into equal frequency bins of the size of bin depth size of the bin depth of this formula n over d. Then third step is to calculate the arithmetic means by using this formula. Then step 4, replace each of the value in each bin by calculated value for mean or median or replacement of boundary value. Okay, so now we get the steps. And next is we will execute all the steps that we had. So step 1, so we will sort all the data that given. So I already sorted the data here. Next is to partition the data into equal frequency. So we will use the formula to partition the data. So n over d. So n is the total value or the sum total value of our data. So we had 12 values, or 12. The total is 12. So 12. Then d is the bin depth. So 3 is the bin depth. So 12 over 3 is equal to 4 bins. So we will make a 4 bins. So 4 bins, each of bins is there is 3 data in every bins. So bin 1 is 13, 15, 16, bin 2 is 16, 19, 20, bin 3 is 20, 21, 22, bin 4 is 22, 25, and 25. So next is we will proceed to step 3. Calculate the arithmetic means. So we will calculate first the bin 1. So how we will compute it or calculate it? Bin 1 is 1 over 3, the sum up or the submission or sub total of bin 1, 13, 15, 16 is equal to 44. So 1 over 3 times 44 is equal to 14.667. So this is the answer, but we will convert it into mixed fraction form. So 14 2 by 3. So that's it. So this is we will use this value. Then next, in bin 2, same process in bin 1 on how we calculate it. So 1 over 3 sum of bin 2 is 55, so equals to 18.33 or 18 1 by 3, and so on. So let's go to the step 4. Replace each of the value in each bin. So bin 1 will be now as, so bin 1 will be 14 2 by 3, 14 2 by 3, 14 2 by 3. Then bin 2 is 18 1 by 3, 18 1 by 3, 18 1 by 3. Then bin 3 is 21, 21, 21. Bin 4 is 24, 24, 24. So this is the smoothing by bin means. So this is the smoothing by bin means. Now we will proceed to smoothing by bin median. So step 1, step 2, and step 3 is still the same. So I will proceed to step 4. So smoothing by bin medians. So smoothing by bin medians. So we will what we can call that, we will replace all the value into the bin medians. So in bin 1, the median is 15, bin 2 is 19, and bin 3 is 21, and bin 4 is 22. So we will replace all the values in each bin into median, or the middle values. So now the median values, or the bin 1 is 15, 15, 15, bin 2 is 19, 19, 19, bin 3 is 21, 21, 21, and the bin 4 is 25, 25, 25. So this is our smoothing by medians. Now we will proceed to bin boundaries. So same, step 1 and step 2 and step 3, still the same process. So we will jump into step 4 to smoothing or replacing the values. So bin boundaries, in bin boundaries, we will replace the middle. So the middle of our bin, this so in bin boundaries, there is we will still what we call the minimum and the maximum values is still the same. Then we will replace the middle value, so whether it's minimum or maximum. So 13, now the bins of the value of our bins now in smoothing by boundaries, bin boundaries. Bin 1 is 13, 13, 16. Bin 2 is 16, 16, 20. Bin 3 is 20, 20, 22. Bin 4 is 22, 22, 25. As you can see, the first value is still the same, and the what we can call the last value is still the same, while the middle is being replaced. So that's what we call smoothing by bin boundaries. So that's all. Thank you.